G'day guys, Vic here. Hope everybody's doing good. Once again, I'm here with the A8. For those not familiar with the channel, this is my car. This is a A8L. It's a 2004 model and is currently the highest reported mileage at 543,000. That's kilometers. So that's 335,000 miles with original mechanicals like engine, trans, and all. I've been working a little bit on it. I repainted the calipers because someone put them yellow for some reason. I didn't like that, so I changed that and cleaned the brake at the same time. You can see a bumper here, and you can see my bumper. It's still not painted, but I buffed out the lights and did a little bit of a ceramic coat on them, so they stay pretty nice now. So yeah, if I can sell those lights, then I can buy a hood, 2 new lights, and I could put the 06 bumper on it, which I think is much better. I have to find some room to put that in a shed, but overall it's just the same old car, you know. So disclaimer here, my car no longer has the motor. I removed the motor for the lift, the boot lid, so it doesn't go up or down automatically, but the soft close used to work just fine. If I would go down like this and clip it, you're gonna hear the motor. You hear the motor, but the deck lid is still slack. When you open it, you're gonna hear it again, but nothing happened because it's already slack. The motor's job is to pull this pin down like that, see? So when you clip it, it's supposed to pull this down and cinch it up, and it doesn't do it anymore. So the cable broke because you're gonna hear the motor. This is one way you can fix it temporarily. You just go around with a tie wrap and pull the pin yourself, so the latch retract a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna pull the battery. You should put a battery tender in a lighter socket before you do that, so you don't lose the calibration of the transmission and all that. So now I can pull the battery out. Yes, one hell of a battery. So here's a module right behind the battery. Oh, and there's the problem. It's no longer connected. Here's the cable, and on the other side there, that's what it does. It pulls on it. So it pulls the latch down softly, so you don't make a racket closing your lid, boot lid. So one connector gets out, and we've got to make room here so we can pull the new one in. So I'm gonna have to slack those here, lift it up, and possibly fit the latch underneath. So the cable goes in between the wiring loop and the ground point. I was able to pull it through because it was broken, but now I gotta remove those two ground point if I am to put the new one in. Now it's going to be a good time to clean those ground as well. Yes. So beauty. Remember, you're screwing into aluminum, not steel. Don't be an idiot. Don't over tighten them, we'll strip them. Snug is good enough, it's clean, it's good. Right, now I've got a connector there. See, there's a notch there, that's the right spot. And the connector, which I hope is good. Click. If you don't hear click, you go to Audi, you buy a new jack, a new connector, and you put it in. Otherwise you're gonna have problems. There it is. Now up here we have our bolts. Might take a little while to adjust it. Okay, the bolts are in, but not adjusted yet. I'll put the battery in before, and I'll make it center and everything and do the proper alignment. Yep, a little adjustment and it's perfectly fine. Okay, so a few adjustment here for the height when closed, and it's perfectly good. So now I can cinch back those bolts. This one was loose. That's good. Always remember you're screwing into aluminum. The bolts are not, but they're still held inside aluminum, so gotta be careful. That's it, it's not going nowhere. Alright, so thanks for watching this repair video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, really helps me. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.